Hello friends, Hastane Jobs YouTube channel no rajatna lamsago fighting ke sangtene Sufet ni bisingte ketal job ni notification nailainai notification 21 December 2023 taringa nokorka inke friends or kobangma post wise vacancies ni details jaktango fighting ke sang tama post sini ST ni vacancies tong nailainai Enke aro 3 number jaktango expiration block fellows post ni bagai ST vacancies ekta na tongnai qualification ke post graduate khaijanangnai post graduate ni logeo experience bo tongna nangnai salary jaktango as living ke 40 years ratei office assistant post ni bagai ST vacancies duita na tongnai duita ni bisingo women candidate ekta tongnai qualification ke high secondary pass khaijanangnai tei logeo computer operator ni 1 year ni certificate tona nangnai as living ke 40 years ratei Pion post ni bagai ST vacancies duita tongnai duita ni bisingo women ni bagai ekta tongnai qualification ke 8 pass khajananai logio Bengali tei English ni reading and writing ni capacity tona nangnai salary ke 7000 as living ke 40 years ratai ro posting ni place jatongo norok kaham khenai naidi inke computer operator post ni bagai ST vacancies ekta tongnai qualification ke class 12 pass khajananai tei logio 1 year computer application ni diploma khaijanangnai salary ke 13000 rejaknai computer program post ni bagai ST vacancies ekta tongnai qualification ke technology te electronics ni degree khaijanangnai eba computer science ni engineering khaijatongke naro post ni bagai application khaimanai tei logio 1 year ni experience tonanai te as limit ke 40 years ratai rejaknai STH rong ke 5 years relaxation rejaknai ko kam attendant post ni bagai ST vacancies 3 ta tongnai 3 ta ni bisingo women candidate ekta tongnai UR candidate ni bagai 8 pass khajanangnai STHCPS candidate rong ni bagai 5 pass khajanangnai salary ni details tongo as living ke 40 years hotel sweeper ni bagai 2 ta post tongnai 8 pass khajanangnai sweeper post ni bagai 2 ta post tongnai 8 pass khajanangnai STH rong ke 5 pass khajanangnai ke omojoto UR post ni bagai multitasking staff group post ni bagai ST vacancies ke 3 ta tongnai 3 ta ni bisingo ekta women candidates qualification ke HCST ni hingke 5 pass UR ni bagai hingke 8 pass khajanangnai te desirable jaktango knowledge in Bengali iba kokbra tona nangnai technical officer electrical group A post ni bagai ST vacancies ke 6 ta tongnai 6 ta ni bisingo women candidate 2 ta tongnai qualification ke degree in electrical engineering khaijanangnai as limit ke 40 years ratei Inkero post ni place jatango norok kam khenai naidi mechanical officer mechanical group A post ni bagai ST vacancy ekta tongnai qualification ke mechanical engineering ni degree khaijanangnai technical officer electrical grade B post ni bagai ST vacancy 6 ta tongnai 6 ta ni bisingo 2 ta hingke women candidates qualification ke diploma in electrical engineering khaijanangnai as limit ke salary rijak tongo te as limit ke 40 years ratai te STH rani bagai ke 5 years realization jaknai te posting klainai technical officer mechanical grade B post ni bagai ST vacancy ekta tongnai diploma in mechanical engineering khaijanangnai posting same jaga no klainai technical assistant electrical post ni bagai ST vacancies ekta tongnai qualification ke degree in electrical engineering khaijanangnai salary as limit te posting ni place jaktongo omongka purely contract basis 11 month ni bagai na tilangjaknai enke poreyo 11 month ni poreyo performance ni bisingte exchange ongmana hani saja oro tenoro aro joining no khaimanai a selection process ongka written examination eba interview ni bisingte na merit list tikhlaijaknai narokni application process ni fee jatango 236 taka FF ni account ni details jatango o account norok application fee marinai online application ni last date tongnai ro 31 December 2023 tarik ni bisingo norok online application ma khainai hinke friends norok jara application khainai mujugoi tongnai post ni bagai 31 December ni bisingo application khaino paidi noro nogoi mankana Sufet ni bisingte ketal job ni notification o mohai ketal job ni notification naina bagai Hastane Jobs YouTube channel subscribe khlaina support khaide tai ketal job ni notification nogoi